In this video, we will discuss most frequently asked plant pathology questions in ICAR JRF or SRF, ASRB NET, BHU PET and IIT exams. So this is the first part. We will discuss daily question like this up to the upcoming JRF and SRF exam. So stay tuned to this channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hello friends, I am Jumishri Meher, PhD scholar from Banaras Hindu University. So let's discuss today's questions. First one is bacterial cell dividing in a 3D plane forming cube-like structure is called as. So the answer is D, Sarcini. Spirilla. Spirilla means bacterial cell that is of spiral shape. Okay, little curves are there that we call as spirilla. Then about Vibrio. Vibrio means bacterial cell that is of comma shaped. Then the Staphylococci. Staphylococci, in this also the bacterial cell are dividing in a 3D plane, but it will form a grape cluster like structure. Whereas in Sarcini, the cell will form cube-like structure. So this is the difference between these two. The next one is asexual spore produced by the fungus is called as. So the answer is mitospore. During asexual reproduction, the cell divided in by the process of mitosis. Okay. So the mitotic cell division occur for the production of asexual spores. That's why it is called as mitospore. The next one is sexual spore is produced by the fungus is called. So the answer is meiospore. The sexual reproduction in fungus is divided into three phases. The first one is that is plasmogamy, then karyogamy, then final is the meiosis. So the for production of sexual spore, meiosis is occur. Next question is in Allomyces macrogynous, which method of sexual reproduction found? So the answer is B, anisogamy. Isogamy, anisogamy, oogamy. This is three variant that is present in the method planogametic copulation. Planogametic copulation means in a plane two gametes will copulate. There is no involvement of any type of sex organ generally found in lower fungus. This Allomyces microgynous is a chytridiomycetes fungi that is also a lower fungus. So here planogametic copulation is occur, that is of anisogamy type. Isogamy type means the gametes are of same size and both are motile, whereas in case of anisogamy the gametes are unequal in size but both are motile, whereas in case of oogamy one gamete is motile and another is immotile. Generally the female is immotile in nature. The next one is Nova Plantarum Genera was written by Micheli in which language? So the answer is B, Latin. Nova Plantera Genera. This is a very important book that is written by the father of mycology, P.A. Micheli. That is in Latin language. Okay. Then who created the group fungi imperfecti for the large number of conidial fungi that lack sexual stage? So the answer is A, Facile. Fungi imperfecti. This is the Deuteromycetes fungi. It includes the group of conidial fungi or the fungi that lacks the sexual stage, or it has only the asexual stage, okay, or the sexual stage is not discovered yet. This group of fungi is also known as dustbin fungi, okay. This is created by the scientist Fackel. Next question is, Which phytotoxin produced by Helminthosporium oryzae is most toxic one? So the answer is A. Ophiobolin A. तो जो हेलमिंथोस्पोरियम ओराइजी है, दिस इज द कॉजल ऑर्गेनिज्म ऑफ ब्राउन स्पॉट ऑफ राइस एंड दिस इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द बेंगल फैमिन. ओके, and it produces three important phytotoxins, that is ophiobolin A, ophiobolin B, or ophiobolin I. This is also called as cochleobolin. Okay, cochleobolin A, B, and I. Among these three, the most toxic one is the ophiobolin A. The next question is, sexual spore formed by late blight pathogen of potato is. So the answer is B. Oospore. This four type of spore, these are the spore produced by the late blight pathogen, that is the Phytophthora infestans. Zoospore, then Chlamydospore and Conidiosporangium. These three are asexual spore, whereas oospore is the sexual spore produced by the fungus Phytophthora infestans. I have already uploaded a video on the different type of spore production and all the characteristics of the Phytophthora. You may check the description section. Link is given there. Okay, you can see that video also for detail about the Phytophthora. Then other sexual spores are like zoospore, ascospore, basidiospore. These are some sexual spore, okay, that is produced in some other fungi. Whereas the Phytophthora is a oomycetes fungus. So in Phytophthora, oospore is produced as sexual spore. Next question is, heterothalism in fungi was discovered by whom in 1904? So the answer is A. A.F. Blaxley. So by the scientist A.F. Blaxley in 1904, heterothalism in fungi was discovered. Heterothalism means for the reproduction, two different thallus is needed. That is of different strain. Okay. Whereas its opposite is the homothalism. Homothalism means the sex organ, that is the male and female, they will form in a same thallus. Whereas in heterothalism, the organ will form in different thallus. Okay. The next one is, first person to see a bacterial cell was. So the answer is Leeuwenhoek. Leeuwenhoek was the first person who discovered a simple microscope under which he saw this bacterial cell. The next question is, first bacterial disease discovered was. So the answer is C. Fire blight of pear and apple. This is caused by Irvinia amylovora. Remember this. This is the most important question. Okay. This is repeatedly asked in a JRF exam. Then the first plant bacterial disease was discovered by. So the answer is T.J. Burrill. So T.J. Burrill was the scientist who first discovered a plant bacterial disease, that is the fire blight of pear, and it is caused by the pathogen Irvinia amylovora. Previously, the Irvinia amylovora was called as Micrococcus amylovora. Later, the name changed to Irvinia amylovora. The next question is, special type of hyphae on which conidia are produced is called as. So the answer is conidiophore. Sporangiophore means special type of hyphae on which sporangia are produced. Okay, so conidiophore and sporangiophore are different. On conidiophore, conidia are produced, and over this sporangiophore, sporangia are produced. This mycelium is network of hyphae. Okay, network of hyphae constitute the mycelium. Then sporangia means this is a enclosed structure inside which sporangiospores are formed. Okay. Question is spore, which is formed by thickening of cell wall of intercalary cell, is called as. So the answer is C. Chlamydospore. So this chlamydospore are also a resting spore. Okay, this can hibernate in soil for longer period because it is having a thick cell wall in it. Then zygospore, this is a sexual spore produced by Zygomycetes fungi. Then the conidia, this is the asexual spore. This is a immotile in nature. Okay, it lacks flagella. Then ascospore is the sexual spore produced by Ascomycetes fungi. The next question is, in Fusarium species, which type of asexual fruiting body is formed? So the answer is Sporodocium. These four are different asexual fruiting bodies formed by the fungus. Pycnidium means this is a flask-shaped structure, whereas Acerbolus means this is a saucer-shaped structure. Then Sporodocium is a mat-like structure over which the conidiophore will form and then conidia will produce. Whereas Cinemata is feather duster-like structure. Okay. Then next question is, in Coletotrichum species, which type of asexual fruiting body is formed? So the answer is B. Acervulus. Then spindle-shaped spot with grayish center and dark brownish margin on leaf is characteristic symptom of which disease? So the answer is rice blast. This is a very important disease of rice that is caused by Magna Porthe oryzae. Okay, it causes heavy loss in rice production. It produces spindle-shaped spots or eye-shaped, or you may call it as boat-shaped spot, and that spot is with a grayish center and dark brownish margin. Okay. Then next is causal agent of seed blight of rice is. So the answer is D. Rhizoctonia. Pyricularia oryzae or Magna Porthe oryzae is the causal agent of rice blast disease. Then about Helminthosporium, this is the causal agent of brown spot. Then Ostila gonoides virens. Ostila gonoides virens is the causal agent of false smut of rice. In false smut, this is not a true smut, means the fruit or this grain, it will convert it into the velvet like structure. Okay, velvet like flowery structure it will convert into. Okay, then in Pyricularia oryzae or blast, I have already told it will produce spindle shaped spots. Then brownish spots will form in the brown spot. Okay, that is caused by Helminthosporium oryzae. Next question is, Striga is which type of phanerogamic parasite? So the answer is A. Partial root parasite. Phanerogamic parasite, it means these are some parasitic plants which lacks the chlorophyll in it. That's why it is heterotrophic in nature, means for the growth and development it depends on other plants. There are four types: partial root parasite or total root parasite, and partial stem parasite and total stem parasite. Example of partial root parasite is Striga. Then example of total root parasite is Orobanche. Then example of partial stem parasite is the Loranthus, whereas the example of total stem parasite is Coscuta. Please remember this. One question is must asked from this phanerogamic parasite, and please remember their families also. Okay, that which parasites belong to which family. The next question is resistance against a single race of pathogen called. So the answer is vertical resistance. Whereas the horizontal resistance means The resistance gene that is conferring resistance against multiple races. So the resistance for a single race is called as vertical resistance, whereas resistance for a multiple race is called as horizontal resistance. This type of classification of resistance is given by Vander Planck. Okay, remember this. So this is the end of today's discussion. In the next video, we will again come with more and more questions like this. So please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get all the notification from my videos. Thank you.